Insult to homicide is how the family of Tamir Rice described a $500 medical bill sent to them by the city of Cleveland. But city officials are now saying that the medical bill, which covered the cost of the ambulance ride that transported the 12-year-old to the hospital after he was shot by police, has been rescinded. The overdue bill had listed advanced life support, a $450 fee, and mileage, a $50 fee, as the main two charges. Newsy's partners at WEWS report Cleveland Mayor Frank Jackson said the bill was generated automatically, but that it was not intended to be sent to the Rice family. Prior to the city rescinding the bill, Subodh Chandra, a lawyer for the family, said in a statement, "The Rice family is disturbed by the city's behavior. The callousness, insensitivity, and poor judgment required for the city to send a bill is breathtaking." The family's anger over the bill found a surprising voice of support in the form of the Cleveland Police Patrolmen's Association. The association's president, Steve Loomis, told WJW-TV, "Subodh Chandra and I have never agreed on anything until now. It is unconscionable that the city of Cleveland would send that bill to the Rice family." Authorities say the officer who shot Rice mistook Rice's toy gun as a real one. No charges were brought against them, but the Rice's family has filed a wrongful death lawsuit. For Newsy, I'm at Merendino.